This is how you talk to yourself. Blogger life.
She's comfortable with, so same needle seems to be used for almost every single person. She does wipe it down, however. That's a risk you're going to have to take. Secondly, you can get a tattoo here from her granddaughters or other people as well as others doing the tattoo. And the idea is you get a tattoo from somebody else and you get it signed off by Buscalan. And we saw her refuse to do a signature next to some because she called them ugly. So she wasn't a supporter of that artist's work, and she would not put her signature next to the fresh Kalinga tattoo that others had. However, she did do the signature on part of their body, but she'll say, if you bring a new tattoo, she'll say yes, or she'll say ugly. And if it's ugly, it's on your skin forever, and she'll give you a signature somewhere else besides. She'll give you a signature somewhere other than beside the Kalinga tattoo.
Group picture? Group picture.
Group picture? Okay.
Okay.
Did you get
I don't know. It actually hurt more than here. This one,
wrist?
yeah, this one didn't hurt.
And did you get to use a needle that you brought, or no? She used her needle.
Yeah.
Yeah, same with me.
Wow. Mike's first time on my Apple Fang Odd flute, and he's a natural. Alright.
Okay.
Bye, Mike.
All right.
Have a safe bye. Here are some of the guys I've met here in Buscalan, our housemates, Choi and Nick from Bicol and Manila. So we had a great time together, and we're leaving Buscalan also together. My eye bags! Eye bags ko! This is the road end, is what they call. This is where the road ends and the start of the hike to Buscalan. This is also where you park your car, your vehicle, like my friend over there from Canada. So they just left their cars here. There's a refreshment place there to buy cold drinks. This is John of Art from Buscalan, Kalinga. Until our next video, bye for now. Go, push! Alright! Woohoo!